Yes. See, in today's class, I'm going to show you how to create a splash screen. Okay?
Okay,
So, what do you mean by
um,
splash?
uh, okay, you're actually explaining the task of Uber right now.
No, 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 no. I'm not explaining that.
Okay,
Okay. See,
okay,
now I'm going to create something. Yeah. Right click. So today in today class, now I'm going to explain something about splash screen. So actually, splash screen means okay. What is splash screen? Usually the user splash screen is whenever we open an app, initially we will show one screen which explains something about our app or some graphics and to do some loading process also. To do some loading process also. So now to do that, to create this splash screen, what I'm doing here, just right click on my package, click on new, click on activity, click on basic activity, click on basic activity. When I click on the basic activity, see this basic activity I'm giving name as SP. Okay, splash, sorry, activity splash. Okay, next one, the layout name, whatever layout name you wants to give, the layout name I'm giving as layout underscore splash. Okay, next one, this activity I want to launch as a launcher activity, so just select this, then click on finish, click on finish. So when I create this activity, now come to text. So I don't want to put this all up, just I want to take one relative layer. Okay, just I want to take one relative layout, contain some properties, and inside that I'm taking one image view with match parent to I to wrap content to. One second. చెప్పండి నిషా. ఓకే, నేను అది మీరు పెట్టేసిన తర్వాత చెప్పండి, నేను అది డిలీట్ చేసేస్తాను. వస్తాను. ఓకే, yeah, see, with match parent to height also I'm giving as match parent to Android column. See here, now what I need to do here, see, okay, Android column id equals to, I think we using it right, Android column. Okay, background equals to at the rate of Android column drawable. See, inside this drawable I want to display, sorry, put one icon, assume, right click, rename, background. I'll give a name as background. Just copy, come to my application, right click on drawable and click on paste. Okay. So here instead of Android column drawable, I'm giving at the rate of drawable of background. If you go to the design, this is the design. Okay. Now what I need here instead of match parent, I will put as wrap content. Height also I'll put as wrap content. Next one, Android column layout underscore center in parent two. Means this layout should be aligned in center. Means I need to come like this. Next one, I am taking one more text view, width to match parent, height to wrap content. This text view I want to put Android column layout underscore Android column layout underscore align parent bottom, align parent bottom equals to true. Okay, the text I want to give as Android column text, just I want to give some name. See, the name is, see this one. So here this is the name, app name is Android training. This one I am showing here. This one, see, now come to here. Okay, this one with match parent height wrap content Android column. Okay, I think already I have created some style at the rate of style text view movie. Come to here, this is training. Okay, next one, the text I want to
Okay.
align in center Android column gravity center. Okay, now I want some padding, some bottom margin Android column layout underscore margin bottom I'm giving as some 100 dp. Come to here, this is what. Okay, next I want to increase the text size Android column text to size 30 sp. Come to here, the text has got increased. Okay, now control s. See, so whenever I run this activity, sorry, I run this application, see, actually this is the splash screen. It contains intent filter of main and launcher. At the same time,
Mm-hmm.
here for this activity also I have intent filter. So now I am going to remove this intent filter. Control s. Okay, a single application can contain multiple intent filters with multiple launchers also, but I don't want to put that. I want to put only one launcher for my application. So
Okay.
okay, next one, layout splash. Oh, actually active content activity layout. See, now what I want to do here, yeah, I don't want this floating point. Okay, just I don't want this floating action button. Just I'm removing this. See, layout splash. This is the floating action button. I'm removing that. Control S. Just come to this splash. This is what. Okay. Now come to
Okay.
layout activity splash. Just run this. Okay. Okay. So this is the normal splash screen. So usually this splash screen I want to display 3 seconds. I want to display this activity up to 3 seconds. So that case, what I want to do here, um, private to, okay, show next. So here I'm taking one more class countdown timer, cm equals to new countdown timer. Whenever I have a countdown timer, I need to implement some few methods. One is on tikku and on finish. In countdown timer, we need to pass two values. One is how many times you need to run this countdown timer, and what is the interval. See, actually here interval means every 1 second this on tick method should be called for my point of view, and after 3 seconds on finish method will get called.
Okay.
So whenever you say this one dot to, okay, for countdown method dot to start, whenever you say start, then only it will come. Yes, here what I need to do here start activity new intent, the current class is activity splash
Activity splash.
this two, and the next class is assume the login activity dot to class. Next one, I don't want to show this. So after moving from this activity to that activity, when user press the back button, it will come to this activity. So I want to clear this. That case we can write finish. Okay, finish means it will remove.
Okay.
Instead of finish, we can go to our manifest. In my manifest, I can write something like Android column no history true, means whenever you are moving from this activity to some other activity, this activity will be removed from Android memory in the sense. Okay, see this show next I need to call. So on resume, in on resume I want to call show next. So this case what will happen, whenever you are opening this activities class, that case show next will be called. In show next, here I'm giving two parameters. One is a 3000, another one is a 1000. Means after every 1 second, this on tick method will get called. Here we can write something whatever you want. Next one, after completion of 3 seconds, this on finish method will be called. In on finish method, just simply I'm calling login activity. Okay. See here, here I explain. I introduced this new class, that is the countdown timer. So here I will create the object for countdown timer. To start that, we need to say your countdown timer dot to start. Your countdown timer dot to start. So how many seconds this activity splash will come? This activity splash will show 3 seconds. This activity will show 3 seconds. See here. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Clear?
Your screen got stuck actually. I can only see the main screen.
Still same issue?
Now I can see the login page.
Oh. Okay. So is it clear what is splash screen and how to show the next screen after some duration?
Can you show that again in emulator? I cannot see. Actually, I can only see the login page.
See, just press back. Again, I'm going to open my application. When I click on activity splash, Android training 1, 2, 3. After few seconds, it showed next screen, right?
Mm-hmm.
That is what. Are you clear?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Now, one more important thing is for testing purpose, I'm going to comment this. Means I don't want to show that screen. Now come to here. See. Now it's showing activities class and the title is something, sorry, flag is something and it's showing trend. Suppose now I'm going explain, now I'm going to introduce one more concept, localization. Okay, localization.
Mhm.
What is mean by localization? Suppose in some situations when you open some Chinese website or when you open some Telugu websites, automatically it will ask you to convert the Telugu to English, right?
Yeah. Translate.
Yes. Suppose if you are in China, if you are trying to open one English website or one English thing, it will ask you to convert some English to, sorry, Chinese to English. Sorry, English to Chinese.
Yeah.
Okay, it depends. Okay. So that case, but here, see once observe here, activities plus, see I have multiple icons. Now I'm going
Mhm.
to remove all. Okay. Okay. Actually, these are the recent apps which we have used. So settings we have used. That's why settings is appearing here and here. Okay. Now what I want
Okay,
to do is
okay.
that, yeah, come to here. So go to my manifest. The activity splash. What is the title I'm giving? Title I'm giving something. Okay. So at the same time, for my application label is something. App name.
Mm-hmm.
App name is Android. Right. So here also I don't want to use this label for activity and just I'm removing label for everything. Sign up, user details, control S. Yeah. Suppose I'm okay. Just see here. Again, I'm running my application. Okay. Yeah. It's showing Android training, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Suppose this application I'm going to develop for multi-language. Multi-language means this application I need to develop in English. At the same time, I need to develop in French.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so that case,
Okay.
while suppose this application I distribute in Play Store, one French guy was installed this application. So when
Mm-hmm.
you open my application, if I show the screen, can you understand
Mm-hmm.
it?
No.
No. So I need to create application for French. So that case,
Okay.
instead of writing the entire app again, we can do something using the localization.
Okay.
The localization. So in a see, just for example, okay, see what is here? Settings is showing as a settings, Android trainings, and API demos calculator. Now what I'm going to do? Click on settings. Uh, here, see, language and input. I click on language. What is the language
Mm-hmm.
now? I currently I have selected.
English.
Now just click on that. Now, oh, other language. See, now I'm going to select something. This is called
Mm-hmm.
France.
Mm-hmm.
Just selected. Okay. After selected that, go back. Go back. Oh, and I think I have not selected. Okay. Add language. Yes. See, French also is showing multiple. Just I'm clicked on France. Now France. See, when I click on France, did you observe? Previously
Mm-hmm.
it was language and input. Now it changed to language and some preferences.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Suppose here language preferences. When I select this, uh, okay, maybe see. When I selected my first preference language is English, France. Did you observe the title is changed to something else?
Yeah.
Next, go back, go back, go back. Did you observe? Settings was changed to
France.
something. Okay, this
Mm-hmm.
calendar was changed to something agenda and API demos appeared. Okay, but context is
Mm-hmm.
same. Chrome is also same, but maps, messenger, but settings got changed, right?
Yeah.
And telephone also got changed, right?
Mm-hmm.
So telephone is something again. But is my application name got changed?
No.
So I'm opening my application. See, this screen got changed.
No.
Means my application I have not implemented for specific language purpose. I have created only on that application. For global, whoever open this will come only in my language only. Whatever I download.
Okay.
Now I want to give support for France also. So that case, what I need to do here, first thing is, see, here to implement the localization programmatically, we no need to do anything. Just we need to provide some alternate resources. Okay?
Okay.
We click on project, app, source, main, resource, values, and sings.xml. Values, sing.xml. Here in values, here I have sings.xml. Now what I'm doing here, right click, new, Android resource file, values hyphen fr. Sorry, delete, delete, resource, new, resource directory, values hyphen fr. Okay, so the same string.xml just copying and pasting into here. Okay, it's string.xml. Now in Android training, instead of writing in English, just know what I want to do. I just I'm removing everything. Okay, so Android training in French we called as this is what. Okay, the same thing I'm going to change to something else. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now instead of this drawable, what I want to do here, right click, new, resource directory, drawable hyphen fr. Click on OK. Okay, see for fr, for default I have placed India image. For French drawable fr, now what am I going to do here? Branch.png, just here see background.png, same name, just copy, come to here, right click, paste. Another important thing is whatever name you have placed in background for normal drawable, I'm going to place same thing, background,
Mm-hmm.
background, click on OK. Okay, now see, actually when I put some commas and things, we need to put forward slash. Okay, things.xml. Next one, come to your manifest. See, as a label name, here I'm giving you an app name, right?
Mm-hmm.
When you run this application, okay, next come to your splash screen. Where is your layout? Yeah, activity content. Here, this image, now I'm giving the same background and the text view also something. Now again I'm running this. Did you observe?
Yeah, it
Okay.
got changed.
Yeah, now, so what Android will do based on localized settings in your device, okay, based on localized settings in your device, first, suppose assume when you're running your localized device is French, first it will search for French related folders,
Mm-hmm.
okay, so hyphen fr, drawable hyphen fr, so it will search that folder, if the folder is not available, then it will pick the values from drawable.
Mm-hmm.
Even if I'm running for English also, first it will search for drawable-en.
Mm-hmm.
Are, are, బావా మెల్లికి మాట్లాడు hello,
Hello.
yeah, see
Mm-hmm.
here based on suppose if I'm running this application in English, First, it will search
Hmm.
for drawable hyphen en.
Okay.
Okay, if the en is not found, then it will go for normal drawable and then it go over normal values.
Okay.
Okay, then you can ask Shravan, how can I find these FR, these all are. Just we need to Google yourself for Hindi, HI, for Italian IT, so a number of things are there. Just we need to find out.
Okay.
Just if you say
Okay.
of an Android, then you will get this.
Okay. So we need to add all the different countries' language that you're saying right now,
It's
or is there any way that we can get all at a time?
sorry, sorry.
Like, do we need to add each and individually every country one at a time, or is there any way that we can add every country in once in a full fledged?
No, no, every country we need to add. Okay. So, but as a
Hmm.
programmatically, we are not doing anything. Just we are providing some alternative resources, right?
Uh-huh.
Have I written any code in this my Java?
No,
In layout also, have I written any condition? If it is
no,
English, take this one. If it is French, take this one. Have I written
no, no,
anything?
no.
Okay. Just I need to provide those alternate resources.
Okay.
It's not only for drawables, not only for values. Even it's same for
Okay.
MA, map and layouts. For everything is same.
Okay.
Okay. So clear.
Okay. Yeah.
See now what I'm going to see instead of see now it's going. I'm going to open this one, right? Now what I want to
Hmm.
do here, just I'm changing this language. See, clearly here you can observe some application names not changed, right?
Yeah.
Like yeah, maps
Contacts,
and
contacts,
contacts.
maps.
Those are not changed. Means those localers are not provided.
Okay.
Developers of those applications. Just click on parameters and again. Even I don't know what is the language and options. Yeah, this one. Click on that. Now languages. Now what I'm doing here, moving this one as a priority. See, when I'm moving this language preference, go back, go back, go back. Just I'm
Everything
opening
English.
some recent application.
Yeah.
Okay. So have I written
Hmm.
any code for this?
No.
No. So that is the power of the Android.
Okay.
Yes, we need to specify. Next one, see. Here actually what I did here in string.xml just I have written only for app name only.
Hmm.
Okay. Suppose if I return it will take. Suppose if the specific key is not available in string.fr, then it will take the same. Suppose while I'm opening the login page, see, see now I'm going to open the login page also after 3 seconds.
Hmm.
See, login and sign up. Suppose now I will change this settings, language and input, languages. See, now come to my application, Android training. Just go back, open again. Did you observe?
Yeah.
Login is
Yeah. It
flat screen
changed.
okay, but the login screen still is showing in English only. What is the
English.
reason?
We did not change that
I have not
part.
provided anything, right?
Hmm.
Suppose now what I want to do here for login, login in French. This is what login in French. Just Control C. Come to here. See, another important thing is in layout. Where is login here?
Layout underscore
Login.
login.
Okay. Here, what is the text here we are using? String login, right?
Login.
Copy the same thing and paste your French folder. Okay, the name should be
Hmm.
same but the value is your wish, whatever you want to put.
Okay.
Okay, here I have placed it only for login, not for sign up.
Yeah.
Okay, let's run this. Did you observe?
Yeah.
Only the
My
provided
login got changed.
but remaining is same.
Uh,
Okay. Is it showing any
yeah.
error? No, right?
No.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So it depends on the resources what you have provided. Depends on the
Okay. So
create.
okay.
So am I clear how to provide localization means how to create your application for multiple countries, multiple languages?
Yeah.
Okay. Next one, is it clear
Mm-hmm.
what is the splash screen?
Yeah.
Okay.
And if you want to give any other details, so we need to specify in the resources thing, right?
Only in
So
resource.
for any.
Even you can do programmatically also, but it's not
Mm-hmm.
required. Means programmatically
Okay.
also you can get the localization and you can check something. You can put some conditions, but those are not
Okay.
required, right?
Yeah.
Okay. See, in your login activity also, some method should be there. It will get the
Mm-hmm.
localization, and you have to check that. If the
Mm-hmm.
localization equals to English, set text of
Mm-hmm.
English. If localization
Mm-hmm.
equals to French, set text of French.
Mm-hmm.
Means you need to implement
Mm-hmm.
that. But here,
Okay.
no need, right? Those.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay. So usually when I started my career, I had developed one application in English and French.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that time
Okay.
what I thought for every language based on the country code or something means based
Okay.
on the mobile network I will get the GPS location and based on that location I can generate anything. But instead of implementing that much of clumsy logic, it
Okay.
is very simple, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So that is what. So is it clear what is the localization?
Yeah. It is
What is the
clear.
span skin also is it clear?
Yes, it is clear.
Okay. So that's what. See,
Okay.
when I go back, when I open that, some seconds I'm showing just for information. And next I'm showing this. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Is enough for today?
Yeah.
Okay? But you try something.